What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 10th. Let's get right to the very first article. Fourth stimulus check live updates. $2,000 monthly stimulus checks along with child tax credit. As we look right here, the headlines: around 164 million third stimulus checks are now sent out. 570,000 plus up fourth stimulus check payments worth over $1 billion were sent out. Then we have right here, White House reportedly weighs up automatic stimulus checks. Again, automatic monthly stimulus checks reported according to the White House. Golden State, California stimulus checks or payments are going out in California. Florida first responders get $1,000 stimulus checks. Basically, if you do live in Florida and you are a first responder, that is your job, prepare to actually receive an additional $1,000 stimulus checks. As we see right here, 17th of May, the return deadline for taxes, again, tax day, and you can track your third stimulus check if you haven't received it. That's the first article. Then we have this article, petition that we talked about earlier. Comment below if you remember me talking about a petition. It had 1 million signatures. Well, that petition demanding monthly stimulus checks of $2,000. It's almost 2.4, almost 2.5 million signatures. If you're not aware, there is a signature that you right now watching can sign and actually demand monthly reoccurring 2,000 stimulus checks until the end of the year. 6 online petitions calling for Congress to deliver monthly stimulus checks of $2,000 until the end of the pandemic or the year have now collectively surpassed 2.4 million signatures. Very good news. Now, I just want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know every single day I post daily videos, and every single video I give away free Amazon gift card. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do every single day in every video, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment the word money, either just the word money, MONEY, or a money emoji, because every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Again, hit that like, be subscribed, comment. Let's go back, let's summarize these articles. Basically, guys, it's looking like it's very, very possible to receive a fourth stimulus check, aka $2,000 right here. Fourth stimulus check update, $2,000 reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. Very credible, very reputable news. As we see right here in this article, basically there is a petition demanding monthly stimulus checks, even signed by Harris herself, saying that, listen, Joe, we have to provide monthly reoccurring stimulus checks of $2,000 until the end of the year. I personally think this is a good idea. I personally think a lot of people are still in debt, guys. People still have bills. People still have, catch up on their finances. People are still falling more and more into bankruptcy, more and more into financial debt and burden. People could actually need a hand up, not a hand out. People deserve help. Again, a hand up, not a hand out. People need help. People are still struggling. That's just my personal opinion. Please comment below if you support. Even if you don't support, I don't censor, guys. I don't delete comments. I don't block people. But that's pretty much it. Just a quick video today. There really hasn't been much. Just all you need to know is there's almost 2.5 million signatures, and potentially, allegedly, according to my source, Joe Biden might pass monthly reoccurring stimulus checks of $2,000. $2,000 every single month until the end of the year. And like I went over this article right here, basically, if you live in California, prepare to receive a stimulus check. If you live in Florida and you are a first responder, you're going to get a $1,000 stimulus check. Right here, May 17th is the IRS tax deadline. Daily videos, daily giveaways. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment the word money. And like I said, come to my channel every single day. I post daily videos every day for well over a year. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.